Okay guys, today I'm gonna play this game called Wall Hopping to VIP. I'm gonna show you how I not wall hop, but I don't know that much yet. So let's start. Hmm? This is easy. Like, okay. That there was a graduation, not a violation. Okay, that one. Even that one was a regulation, you see? Because I was just this lag. Okay, let me show that. Okay, this is just a troll. This one is trolling big time. You see, I did that for a second, and I keep falling down. This is not where the video ends. Okay? Not ending the video here. Oh, that guy knows how to roll up. Maybe it's on computer. Yeah, definitely on computer. You hear that sound? That clap sound. Now just you can see something there. Me, I don't want to because right now I'm like happy so you see guys, I'm good at this. I've played this game before. No, I'm lagging. No, my screen is just lagging. I'm wondering why I'm not doing that because of like a little of a new game. Good journey, learn how to help to learn how to help as it's called like that. Just need to fix the one like this. So I was doing it wrong. But only a prayer time. Bro, why are this? This is such a bad texture. Me, I want to only play without a ladder. You say go to without a ladder. I'm gonna join some people. Just kidding. No, it's not the time. I know this one. I've never seen it. I've seen it on YouTube. See how I'm good at perform. So why am I lagging? Make sure if you want a free server, just go to the server and create one for free. You can create one for free in the levels. This thing wants me to fall down. It was sad a little bit, bro. I'm serious. There's no cheating in this game. There's no ladders. Only you win all of them. Okay. I'm not looking on your trap. Do you want me to show you what this thing does? No. That's kinda bad. That's in my video realizing what is this? Now. Just keep flicking your camera for the design. Oh, just like it. Yeah, this thing you can hear it wants to bwana rafiki yangu alinunua. That's a problem. Where is it? Yes, more recipe you can share with me. Me, I said this was the lack of. Before you know, maybe I work with this it no, I don't know. If this was all broken, and if someone was trolling behind you, this is a level like fall down. Yeah, I told you before, I've seen this when Sammy was trolling Jandel. Yeah, Jandel was free fire cool. This is where please no. Yes. Oh, it disappears. No, I'm not falling fast, so come on here. You see, this game is easy. That's why I joined it. And that's why I get it. What could be those that can happen if I go here? Nothing. Okay, now I'm getting out of here. This red tail bits instantly booming. That I get boomed. Bro, the ladder disappears. Oh, this game is so hard. Naba, I just said it's easy and I think this game is so hard. Kyle, please, can you do? Ooh, bro, you strong. I put right here and you're telling me I don't know why you took the ruler. No, I put over here. No, I don't know. No, I don't know where the ruler is. It's not here. And you're telling me that I know where it is. Take your bag. You want to do it. Don't tell me you want your bag. And you don't want it. Even me, I need to be careful. Not for me. Okay, bro. Bro. This is genuinely true. Maybe here. No. The kill blitz. I'm slowly returning where I was. Okay. This looks like a bed for you to play into a trap. Bro, how did I come down? Bro, Kyle is back here. Maybe we'll fall down together. Wait, oh yeah, ladder is up. The ladder is supposed to. Maybe someone trolled us. How am I supposed to pass this? It's a ladder. Oh, I knew this. This is easy. But if there was a troll button, I know Kyle would troll. Yeah. It definitely trolls. You press it there. Troll. okay. No. Maybe Kyle fell down and they learned how to troll you. First try easy peasy peasy. Okay, bro, do trolling. If you just enjoyed the video, comment down below, and the video is not with me, it's down, and it's in right